Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the notice mode of the TD184. First, we need to go to the setting mode. We need to test it first. This is 4. And you can see the flash is gradually. And also the vibration, there's no beep. Okay, now we need to change the flash first. I will change to fast. First, go to the setting. It's F2, and it's the flash setting. It has 4 modes. The 0 means turn off. The 1 means slow speed. 2 means medium speed. 3 means fast speed, and also the 4 means gradual change. Now I will change to fast. And 3 is faster. Okay, I won't change this one. And press the confirm to make sure the set successfully. You can hear the sound. And we can go to F3. F3 is beep setting. It has 4 modes as well: turn off, slow speed, neutral speed, fast speed. There is no beep as we just checked, so I will change it to the neutral as well. Go there, the neutral is 2. Okay, confirm. Okay, and then we can change the vibration. It's F4. Okay, go there. 0 means turn off, and 1 means slow as well. So I'm gonna change to the fast. 3. Okay, confirm. Okay, after all this done, we have to repair the pager ID. Otherwise, the setting won't work. So go to the F1, set the pager ID. 4, flash. Okay. Okay, let's do it again. Go there, 4. Okay. So we need to make sure take this quickly and also put the correct part to this one. Otherwise, you may not pair successfully. Okay, now we can check the setting. The code 4. You can see this is fast, and also the vibration is faster, and also there are beep again. So which means we change successfully. That's how to do it. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@retekesss.com. Or you can also visit our website www.retekesss.com. Thank you.